Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix out of video memory trying to allocate a rendering a resource error on Tormented Souls 2 game. So let's go through the solutions. So the first method is to check system requirements. So make sure your PC meets the required specs to play the game on your system. So for that, go to Steam. Now click on store page and here you have to search for the game. Now after that, go below and then here you can see the system requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC has all these requirements and then check if you can launch the game. If not, next is to restart PC as well as Steam. So for that, click on the arrow icon over here, then select Steam, right click on it and click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC and Steam as well. After that, try to launch the game and then check if you can play it. If not, next is to update graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search over here, search for device manager. Now expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check if any update is available for your drivers, and after updating, try to play the game. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description, and from there you can easily update your graphics card. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files and then check if you can launch the game. If not, next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then check if you can play the game. If not, again come back and type -dx12 and then check if everything is working fine and the game is launching. If not, next method is to run game as administrator. So you are suggested to run the game exe file as admin from the installation folder, and also run Tormented Souls 2 -win64 shipping.exe as admin. So first go to the game folder. For that, launch Steam. Now under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. Now this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here the game application is there. Simply right click on it, click on properties, then click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, then check if the problem is fixed. If not, you have to select run this program in compatibility mode. For select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and then click on apply and OK, and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, again come back, then select disable full screen optimizations and click on apply and OK, and after that try to launch the game and see if it is working. If not, the same thing you have to do for this also. So go to the Tormented Souls 2 folder, then click on binaries win64. Now here you have to select Tormented Souls 2 -win64 shipping. Simply right click on it, click on properties, and you have to do the same thing. Select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then check if you can play the game. If not, select run this program in compatibility mode. For select Windows 8 or Windows 7, then click on apply and OK, and then click disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings, and here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If yes, the game is listed over here. If not, you have to click on allow another app, click on browse, then go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application and add it to the list. After adding it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. So after doing this, check if you can play the game. Next method is to stop overclock CPU and GPU setting. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of the CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the problem. Next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option over here, then click on settings and click on in-game, and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option is enabled. You have to simply click on it to disable it. After disabling, try to launch the game. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, then switch off in-game overlay options from there. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next solution is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for Task Manager. Now here under Process tab, you have to search for those apps which are of no use, and after selecting them, right click on it, click on End Task. So this will completely close the app from background, and after that launch and try to play it and see if it's working. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, go through the link that I have already provided in the description, copy and paste it, or you can simply search for Visual C++ files on your browser. Now after the website opens, go below, and from here you have to download Visual C++ files, and after downloading, now install them, and after installing, restart your PC and log into the game, and then check if you can play it without any further problem. Next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates option, and it will check if any update is available. After updating your Windows to the latest version, you should check if you can play the game. Next is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So for that, first go to the search option, search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on virus and threat protection, then go below, click on manage settings, and here you have to check real-time protection is turned off or it is on. If it is switched on, you have to disable it or switch off it, and after that check if the problem is fixed. Also you should go to the Windows search and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both public and private network settings, and then click on OK, and then try to play the game and see if it's working or not. If not, then come back and you have to select turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both public and private network settings, click on OK, and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, move to the next solution. Next is to install DirectX on your system. So for that, copy the link that I have already provided in the description, or you can simply search for DirectX on your browser. After the website opens, here you have to click on download option. So the file will be downloaded. After downloading, install it on your system. Now after installing it, restart your system once, and then check if you can play the game or not. If not, then the final solution suggested is to reinstall Tormented Souls to game. For that, go to Steam, under libraries section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your system. After that, restart your PC. After restarting, launch Steam, and again reinstall Tormented Souls 2 game on your PC, and once it is reinstalled, click on play button, and then check if you can play it without any kind of issues.